So this is why people use private equity to go and invest in real estate, because they get all the benefits of direct ownership, number one. Number two is their liability is limited. Number three, it's because they also do all of the work up front. So when you're going to make private equity real estate investment, you are spending a lot of time up front vetting the sponsor who is actually going to be doing the day-to-day management of this asset. And you're spending a lot of time looking over the actual investment itself. Where's the property located? What's its current condition? Let me run my underwriting to see what are some of the assumptions that you're making. Do I agree with those assumptions? Let me share this with some other investors in my group. I'm locking up my capital for a while, but I'm doing all this work up front. I'm only liable for what that I invest, but the upside is tremendous. I can now get all of those 4 ways to make money from real estate without actually having to own it and do the work. That's what private equity is, and that's why so many people are fixated on it.